Are you looking for an easy way to track your work, manage your time, and calculate your earnings? Meet AppName, the ultimate work tracker earning app designed just for you. Whether you're a freelancer, part-timer, or a full-time employee, this app is your best companion to stay organized and productive. Time tracking made simple. Track the time you spend on different projects or tasks with just a tap. No more guessing how many hours you've worked. Earning calculation. Easily set your hourly rate, and the app will calculate your earnings automatically. See exactly how much you're making, daily, weekly, or monthly. Smart notifications. Stay on top of your tasks with reminders and alerts. The app ensures you never miss a deadline or work shift. User-friendly interface. Designed with simplicity in mind, the app is easy to navigate. Even if you're new to technology, you'll find it super simple to use. Detailed reports. Get detailed insights into your work hours and earnings with customizable reports. Export them for your records or to share with clients and employers. Benefits. Perfect for freelancers, remote workers, or anyone who works on an hourly basis. Save time and effort with automated calculations and seamless organization. Increase your productivity and see where your time is going. How to use the app. Getting started is easy.